Here I am at Black Bear Pass, finally. Bridal Falls, waterfall. All I have is about 100 yards left of this very difficult stretch, and I can tell you, I wish I had not tried this. This is too much for me on a Suzuki V-STROM. I can see. Wow. I didn't expect it to be like this for a while. Seriously, I really didn't. Wow. Ugh. Be harder. The view up here is amazing. I've dropped this motorcycle twice. I just picked it up, and let me tell you, it's a monster on these steep inclines to try and do so. It was a mistake for me to think I should ever try Black Bear Pass as an amateur on a 2015 Suzuki V-STROM. So little hits, little hits. Whew. Doesn't all have to be full on balls to the wall. Little short bursts for the amateur like me who really just wants to get home. So this is it. This is the top of Black Bear Summit. Alright, well, there's another V-STROM down moment, so yeah, it's not to be taken lightly. It is beautiful. You tell we're going to be dropping in altitude here. Whew. Oof, this is still better than what I started with. That's for dang sure. I can see the airport for Telluride. I just could see little bits of the town down below. This is by far the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. Dumbest thing ever. Wow. Okay, I have come to another little spot that scares the pee-waddly-doo out of me. This is really steep going down. Whew. really would love to ride down the steps today, but I am a little frightened of them, y'all. We've done some crazy steep stuff today, but this beats all, man. I just don't know. Let's see if we can walk it slow and easy. All right. So you can straddle it. That does make it easier, I won't lie. I guess technically I am riding Black Bear Pass now. Alright, so you need to see how high the tank bag is and how low the nose is. Seriously, that's where it's at, y'all. That's how steep this is. Ooh. Is that really what I wanted to do? Yeah, if you could be riding along over there, if you had way more control, like the lower gear setting, that would be ideal. So now we're so high-centered that we're seriously high-centered. I mean, like seriously high-centered. Alright, well, I made it to right there. That was kind of a big boo-boo, high-centered. This thing weighs 600 pounds. We get it off. I guess these are just the insanities you have to deal with on Black Bear Pass. At this moment, I will be happy just to get down this dumb thing. If I didn't say it earlier, this is one of the dumbest things I've ever done in my life. Yeah, there's some steep stuff, y'all. Once again, back into the motorcycle, front of the motorcycle. Oh, there it is, it's down there. No amateur on this kind of a motorcycle definitely should be trying to do this. It's insane. Well, can't deny the view being spectacular. All right. All right.
You did it. The hard part's over.
Oh my gosh.
First time you run black bear?
I walked it down.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I clutch brake,
Noise
clutch brake.
control mode.
I was like,
It's a little sketchy. It's a little sketchier when it's wet.
oh, I can imagine. That's why I wasn't here yesterday.
Yeah.
But other than the fact I just want to live.
Yeah.
But that was seriously my adrenaline endorphins. That was the dumbest thing.
Part's over.
That bike is not.
The GS.
You know what? It's a little Suzuki V-STROM 650.
Oh, it is. Sure enough.
Great little bike, but dude, even all those loose rocks coming up Black Bear, I wasn't.
Sketchy.
Yeah, everybody's always like, oh, the hard part's the steps. Hell, for me, I dropped it several times.
Yeah.
It was
an Africa Twin, and the same thing. I hate rocks. I hate them. Because if they're not loose and stepping your front end out, then they're ginormous and bucking you like a Bronco off of it. It's not like you can air it up and down like you can this. You know?
Yeah. Well, hopefully I'll make more tracks now that I'm to this point, but
It'll be good now.
boy, am I exhausted.
Beer's gonna taste good until you ride.
Oh, you know, woo! All right. Oh, yeah. I'm trying to look vertically out so you can see the steepness if possible with that Toyota going down. So look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We rolled 7,037 miles up on Black Bear Pass. Cool. I bet that's, there we go. It's 62 degrees. All right, let's go on down. Let's go on down. Let's do this thing. Got a little rock bed here. Let's go straight over it. Straight over it. Yeah, look at all those big ass rocks to go over. Straight over it.